Hey, how you doing? This is Nick. I'm representing Nature's Plus. I'm here at Lakeshore Natural Foods in sunny Oakland. I wanted to talk today about Nature's Plus Pro Creatine Performance System. This is an incredible product. I know creatine is really popular and surging all over the industry, but this one is very, very unique because it's made in Germany, which is exactly what you want, where you want your creatine from, because there's no fillers, no additives. 99.9% gets absorbed into the bloodstream. But we don't stop there. We also have 400 milligrams of peak ATP. You and I all have ATP in our cells right now. It's where we get our energy from, where we do our conversions. So the moment you take this, within the hour, you will have energy. This product's great for muscle building, but also for cognitive function, blood flow, recovery, and so many other things. Check out Nature's Plus Pro Creatine Performance System in a delicious berry flavor, sweetened with monk fruit extract. Get it at Lakeshore Natural Foods. All right, so right now we're gonna mix up the Nature's Plus Pro Creatine Performance System. You wanna do 8 to 10 ounces. So right about there should be good. Beautiful. So let's get these guys out. So remember, this is great for blood flow, recovery, mental fatigue, energy, muscle building. It's a multifaceted product. It's great for everyone, from the bodybuilder to the soccer mom. Anyone can benefit from this. All right, bottoms up.